In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a reservation on OpenTable. If you've made a dining reservation and your plans have changed, OpenTable makes it fairly simple to cancel it in just a few moments. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process so you know exactly where to go, what to tap, and what to look for once the cancellation is complete. To begin, open the OpenTable app on your phone or go to the OpenTable website in your browser. Either option works, so just use whichever one is more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you log in using the same account that was originally used to book the reservation. Otherwise, the reservation may not appear in your list. After signing in, look for the section labeled Reservations or Upcoming. This is where OpenTable stores your active bookings, including any upcoming dining plans you've already scheduled. Depending on whether you're using the mobile app or the website, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording is usually very similar. Once you're in that section, find the reservation you want to cancel and select it. Take a moment to double-check the restaurant name, date, and time so you're sure you're canceling the correct booking. This is especially helpful if you have more than one reservation saved in your account. After opening the reservation details, look for the option that says Cancel Reservation. Tap or click that option to begin the cancellation. In some cases, OpenTable may ask you to confirm your choice before it's finalized. If that happens, simply select Confirm Cancel to proceed. At that point, the reservation should be removed from your upcoming bookings. However, don't stop there just yet. The final step is to check your email for a cancellation confirmation. This is important because it gives you proof that the reservation was successfully canceled. If you don't see the confirmation right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. And that's all it takes to cancel a reservation on OpenTable. As a helpful tip, try to cancel as early as possible since some restaurants may have cancellation policies or fees for late changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.